First, we'll make a magic string. Secure it with chain 1. Now we have to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and we have to do 4 sets of it so that we'll get the middle part like that. Now pull the magic loop and close it. Weave behind and catch it, and now slip stitch into the first chain over here like that, chain 1, and cut the yarn off. So you got round 1 like that. Window, make a slip knot and attach this. In the corners, chain 1, and now we have to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in each corner. Now do slip stitch in the first chain over here, chain 1, cut the yarn off, slip knot and attach it. Chain 1, yarn over, and in the corners you will do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the corners. In the middle part you'll do 3 double crochet, so you have to continue this. Now we are gonna do slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn off. So for further rounds you have to just do the same thing. In the corners you have to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and in the middle part you have to do 3 double crochet. So you have to just continue the same thing. So making granny squares, you have to make granny squares according to your size. I made 9 big granny squares for my back. You can add more or make it small or make it big, it's up to you. And this is the sleeves which I made. After making granny squares you have to stick this all together. So for attaching the granny squares, take a yarn, make a slip knot, and make sure attach the granny squares back side, not the front side. Take your hook, insert into the first loop or first stitch you can say, and take the yarn out and chain 1. After that, insert the hook into the next stitch and take the yarn out and do a slip stitch. Now continue the same thing. You have to attach all the granny squares by this method only, and at last after doing all you have to chain 1 and cut the yarn off so that it will be secured. So this is the last one, and then we'll chain 1 and cut the yarn off. Just attach 2 and then after that you will attach like that 4 together. So first do 2 and 2 and then attach 4 like that. Just flip it over and just continue the same process which I taught you. You can see the bigger look, how it looks like that, and just join that all stuff 1 2 and then this, and then at last you'll join the granny square sleeves. So this is the final look of the cardigan. It looks like that. I just added extra details because it was getting small for me. You can just continue doing granny squares if it's okay for you. Otherwise you can add more granny squares. I didn't add more because I didn't want it big. I just added this pattern. So, and I made this cute bow over here, and my sleeves are super long. You can also fold it like that if you want. It'll be really fine and good if it's big for you. Otherwise it's perfect, and this cardigan looks so good, and this is the first time me making a cardigan, and this looks good, I think so. Tell me in the comments, how do you find this cardigan, and do let me know in the comments if you have any doubts or anything. See you in the next one. Till then, bye 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 bye.